Thursday, August 15th, Seaside Park Ocean updates. Water temperature this morning is 73.5. We have a high tide coming up at 12 o'clock today. Waves are looking thigh high on set. You need a thigh high. It's clean with a very light offshore wind. The wind is supposed to go from west to north to east to south later on this afternoon. Yeah, not much for a shortboard today. If anything, it's going to be a longboard. There's really not any flies this morning. It was a south wind most of last night. And the flags should be green, if not yellow today. It's pretty calm, so I think they're actually going to switch it to green. But that doesn't mean swim without lifeguards. Don't go swimming after 5 o'clock at unguarded beaches. Anyways, that's the update. Hope everybody has a great Thursday.